Hey guys, welcome back to my food channel, Sanjay's Comfort Food. Today I'm gonna be making chicken korma. Chicken korma is a traditional Indian dish, which is basically yogurt based, and the recipe I'm sharing with you, it's very simple and easy to follow. Please watch the full video. Thank you. So here I have all the ingredients listed on your screen with exact amount. So we're gonna start with marinating our chicken. So here I'm taking about 1 tablespoon of yogurt. I have some dried spices here, which is cardamom, cumin, garam masala, black pepper, and paprika. I'm gonna combine all the spices together, mix well with the chicken, marinate it around about 2 hours. So here I have some dry spices here. As you can see on your screen, I have the exact amount. So here I'm gonna add about half cup of water, and I'm gonna soak these spices, so when I use it, it's ready to go. On the other side, I have a pan with about 2 cups of oil heating up. I'm gonna fry my sliced onion. I'm going to fry the onions until golden brown, until it gets crispy. So here onions already got like super crispy. Now I'm gonna transfer these into a blender jar. I have some soaked cashew nuts, which I'm gonna be blending it together and turning it to a smooth puree. Here I have some whole spices which I'm gonna be frying. For about 30 seconds. Now I'm gonna be adding my chicken in, which has been marinated for about 2 hours, and all the sauce from that marination, I'm gonna be using that. Nothing gonna be waste. So here I'm gonna be cooking it until the oil separates. As you can see, here I have added some ginger garlic paste to it. Add the soaked dry spices to the chicken. Cook it until the oil separates from the gravy. Cook it on the medium heat. Add the yogurt to it, about a cup. So here the perfect timing to add the cashew and onion puree, which is very smooth. This is what's gonna give the consistency to the gravy. It's gonna make the gravy creamier and thicker. So we're gonna add about a cup of water so the gravy won't stick to the pan. You have to have some liquid to it. Also, don't forget to follow me on social media. I have Facebook and Instagram. So here I'm gonna cover it and let it cook until the chicken tenderized. And it's good. It took me about like 30 minutes. So this is how the final product looks. You can serve it with some rice or naan bread. And so you guys, let me know how do you like the video. If you do like the video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you all on my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.